Hey guys, what's up? Corey here. Some of my clients, that were deciding to sell, and with this market being so crazy and not being able to find anything else to move up into, plus interest rates being so high, they're electing to do an extensive remodel on their house. So I wanted to put together a quick video if you're in that same boat of things that you may want to consider with selecting the contractor. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's jump in. All right, so starting with number one, it's gonna be punctuality. You're gonna wanna make sure that that contractor, shows up not only to the job to look at the scope of work, but that they show up to the job, every day, and that they're also gonna start when they say they're gonna start, because those things can be very costly, if things are delayed throughout the process or if they don't start early, because if you're moving out potentially and having to rent another house, that month or two of delay could cost you a lot of money. In this market, rents are really high. Number two is gonna be communication. You wanna make sure that you get a contractor that's gonna be able to communicate very well throughout the process. This is gonna be a stressful environment. Things are gonna come up and potentially have to change. So you want that contractor that's gonna come back and be able to communicate very well with you. Number three is going to be, access to the right equipment and the right workforce. You want to make sure that you have a contractor, that's going to be able to have the right equipment, that this is the scope of work that they're trained for, that they do all the time, and they're maybe not biting off more than that they can chew. The fourth one is going to be, reputation and testimonials. You're going to want to make sure that you double check all of these. Make sure that they are a reputable contractor and that they can do the job the right way, like I said before. And then the fourth one is going to be customer service and integrity. And obviously customer service, the way that they treat you, but you want to make sure that the contractor wants to do the job the right way, not just get in and get out. So if they discover something, that could be corrected, that they come to you and they say, you know what, I know the original contract was this, but this really should be changed the right way, rather than just moving forward and doing a job as originally was planned and not bringing anything to your attention. One thing also obviously is cost, but like I said before, time is money. So somebody that can get on the job relatively quickly, obviously is of good value, and somebody that's going to stay on that job. If they're running too many jobs, they might delay your job quite a bit. And then, like I said, that monthly rent could be, the deal killer and the difference between some contractors. So just some food for thought for you guys to consider. If you want to have a little bit more discussion on this, or if anything else regarding real estate, feel free to reach out to me at 619-200-3236 or on the web at sdcoastalagent.com. And as always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make it a great day.